am so hot up in here. I feel like I'm gonna die. Ew, there's cat. Where'd it go? Guys, I look fugly right now. And shiny. It's like 90 degrees outside, and I'm sweating, and I'm also in air conditioning, so I don't get why I'm sweating also. And my neighbor, well not my neighbor, but my niece's neighbor, our cousin, aka the landlord, he has a pool. Oh, shit, cat. And I want to go on it with my niece and my other niece, but the neighbor upstairs, because it's an apartment, like there's upstairs, there's 2 floors, and I wanted to go with the girl upstairs, Susanna, and but we can't. And now I'm so hot, and I want to go swimming, and I feel like I'm gonna die. Ooh. Do you guys like my song? I like it. Why don't you guys like it? Why do you hate me? I didn't do anything to you unless you were Tony, Quentin, Angelo, John, Jamie, Jonathan, G, Michael. I've heard a lot of people, literally. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go see if I can go swimming again. Oh shit. Bye. Anything to say about that? Do you like to bring your milkshake and have all the boys to the yard? Do you? Yeah.
Ew.
Dig in, Annie.
You have no teeth. Say something funny.
Do you want it or not? Okay, give me this one say for me, please.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm so sorry for like all of the oh shit. For all of the nuisances out there. Those get out. So like I was saying, I wasn't talking to you. Get out. Oh, come on. Actually, at Olivia's room. So, and nobody wants to see you. It's ugly. Ew, get out of the camera. You're gonna break my phone. So like I was saying, just kidding, I love you. Hey! What? I was saying I really do love you. It's so hot up in here. She tried to get in the video, but I blocked her from getting in the video. Getting in the video. Getting in the video. Ah! No, she pinched my skin with her arm. Get out of the video. Stop trying to attack me. Get off me, you. I just saw the blade now. That's not even my shoulder blade. That was like my armpit. Damn, I'm white. Didn't you already know that? You're racist. Get off me, racist hoe. I said racist pope. Pope. P-O-P-E. Get out of the picture. Poop is P-O-O-P. He said P-O-O-P-O-O. Poo-poo. I said P-O-P-E. Pope. We're sorry. Oh my god, she's so stupid. Bye. Hey, you know what? Hey, yes, away from me. My niece is so stupid. She's ugly too. Just, ew, what are you doing? You shouldn't be calling me a fugly when Olivia was one who called herself a gorilla. Oh yeah, my other niece, the other one, the white one. She's being racist. I am white. You're not white. Yeah, I'm but the other one called herself a gorilla. Called herself ugly. And then she called what'd she say? She's like, I don't know. She called herself 3 things. It was like fugly, no, ugly, and then gorilla, and then like a banana. No, like a rat. Oh yeah, rat. Have you guys seen that video called Rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta? Ratatouille. No, not Ratatouille. It's on YouTube. Oh my lord, this girl though. Okay, well, that's not my drink. Speaking of the niece. Oh, that is my drink. Speaking of the niece. There she is. Guys, you're not funny. Eve Ho would be tripping, girl. It's like, stop trying to get into the camera, because you're not cute. Hey guys, you can see me, right? You're retarded. Oh, hi. That's the one who called herself ugly, a gorilla. No, I didn't. Oh, swim, bro. I'll squeeze your flab. This is why little kids shouldn't be listening to Katy Perry. She is just a bad example for people under the ages of 9 to 8 months. 9 years old to 8 months. Like, nobody should be listening to her. Not even the little babies. Gummy bears stick up a middle finger at her. And she needs a gingerbread man. That's just uncool. Normal people, they put whipped cream on the strawberries. Me, I put it in my mouth. Katy Perry goes like, that's not funny. That was just like, awkward.